So how do we feed our babies while camping or while we are on the long road trips? Babies still have to eat healthy food. We cannot give them just some bad food, bad stuff for them. We cannot change fully their diet because issues with the metabolism are very difficult even for us adults. And can you imagine then how difficult it is for children, and especially those children who cannot even talk yet. And then babies, that's again wide spectrum of ages, because some babies are newborns, and some mommies, when you ask them how old is your child, she'll say, oh, my baby is 47 months. But for us 47 months is not a baby anymore, but doesn't matter. So when we talk about babies, we can we have to take a lot of things into consideration. So let's see what are our options, what can we do, and how can we deal with it so that we still go on camping, that type of the vacation and the trip that we like, that we don't have to switch to all inclusive, and if we don't want that, so that we can go still even while camping, but with babies. So first of all, if you are breastfeeding, then all you need are your breasts, mommy's breasts, yeah. And then we have to focus on mommy's diet, and that mommy is eating well, that mommy is drinking enough water, and we have to put a focus again on mommy, so that mom is well rested, that mom can produce actually a lot of good and healthy milk for a baby. I don't breastfeed, and our child still uses this kind of formula, yeah. So for this kind of milk, we have a baby machine. It's called Baby Brisa, and maybe I will put a short video on how to do that. So it's quite a big machine, but when we go camping, since we have this teardrop trailer, we put the whole machine inside. Inside it's also water, inside it's powder, and we just put a button, press the button, and we get the milk immediately. That is warm milk ready to use. If you don't have a machine, that's also okay, but then would be good that you have a kettle. So this is also very nice device that we can use to boil our water also very quickly. When we are using this, and when we don't have this baby milk machine, I would advise to have 2 thermo bottles. One thermo bottle will be to keep now freshly made new boiled water, and the other bottle will be for the water that was boiled a few hours ago, and few hours ago we put it in that one, and that one is already cold now. So in both thermo bottles is boiled water, just in one is hot water, and in the other one is already cold. So when we have to mix something quickly, mix the baby milk quickly, so we just take a baby bottle, put a powder inside however we need, little bit of cold water, little bit of hot water, swirl a little bit around, and you again have very quickly the baby milk. You don't have to break your head with boiling water now and then thinking how are you going to cool it down, and then how your baby will be crying for 10 minutes and he wants the milk now. So these are the options. If you go wild camping and there is no option to have the electricity for this kind of device, then you have to again use these 2 thermo bottles, but then just boil that water in advance, yeah, so that you have some gas stove, yeah, and then boil the water there, or make a fire and again boil the water, but make sure that you have a boiled water for your baby. Don't change boiled water for not boiled water. Yeah, because that can cause big problems for baby metabolism. If you don't trust me, ask your doctor. Next, what if we have a little bit older children who can now eat a lot of different things, but still they cannot eat like an adult? For them, we can cook. Of course, we can cook potato, we can cook carrot, we can cook a little bit of chicken, whatever your baby likes. Yeah, try those food already at home. Yeah, and then just repeat. Find what is quickly for you to make, and then make it when you stop somewhere. Yeah, and when you have time to cook. Make sure that you have time during the day to do some warm meal for your child. If that happens, that you don't have at all time to cook, because that cooking doesn't matter how quick, but still it will take, for example, 20 minutes, and you think, okay, I really don't like, there was an accident on the road, there was this and that, we were not able to stop and do something, then have food like this. Yeah, you can have here is pasta with tomato and carrot. You can have like many different versions of this kind of food. Also, you can have fruit like this. Just buy a few of those bottles. Try first at home if your baby likes that, and then when you are in this kind of situations that you want, but you just couldn't because something unexpected happened, then you have to help yourself. Yeah, and help yourself like that you have already prepared somewhere in your backpacks, in your car, or in your camper van, or whatever. Just have something with you. I will also have for my baby this kind of things. Those are rice cakes with apple. We already tried this few times and he loves it. I know that sometimes for him traveling is not the best thing what can happen in a day, so I have to entertain him somehow, and then I give him or some toy. Yeah, but sometimes toys are not good anymore. They are boring. Not everything becomes like too bad. Then we stop. Yeah, we stop, we go for a walk, we do this and that, we play, and then I also give him a little bit of these rice cakes, because I know that he like, and then it will somehow calm him down for the next maybe 1 hour, and then let's hope that that will be the end of the travel for that day, so we can prepare some nice dinner after that and go to sleep. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you to decide how you are going to deal with this new situation for yourself and also for your child. Don't skip boiled water. This is like, I think this is the most important point of this video. Don't skip to boil water. Baby still needs boiled water for formula, and of course don't give your baby boiled milk, hot milk. Wait to milk to cool down, and then give it to your baby. This is how we did last time, so this will not be first time that we are camping with a child. We went 3,000 kilometers away when he was 2 months old, and yeah, this is how we did that time. It worked, and we are going to repeat it again, so I hope it will be successful this time again.